Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to add email addresses to your safe senders list. So all you need to do is open up your Gmail account, and from there we're going to look on the right hand side and you'll see like a little person icon, which is your contacts. So click on that. So you might not have any contacts yet, like I don't for this account, but you can click on create contacts. So by doing this, you're adding people to your safe senders list. So you can add in their name, company. You definitely need to add in the email. You don't really need to add the other details in, but if you want to, you can. And when you're happy with that, you click on save, and that person will be added to your safe senders list. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.